ओम क्रीं 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 ह्रीं 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 हुं 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 दक्षिणकालिके क्रीं 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 ह्रीं 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 हुं 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 स्वाहा। माँ दक्षिणकालिके नमः। प्रसन्न वरदो भव, प्रसन्न वरदो भव, प्रसन्न वरदो भव। वेलकम to Siddha Sadhak Parivar. Before sharing any spiritual practices or techniques, we want to clarify our objectives. Through this channel, we aim to uncover our endangered Vidyas from our Vedas and Puranas and apply it to the modern times. So let's begin today's chapter. Today, in this episode, we are going to discuss and give three small but very powerful Shodsi Tripur Sundari procedures for both men and women. Now discuss first procedure. Women who want to attain beauty, intelligence and wittiness must perform this procedure of Mother Goddess Shodsi. Take a wooden plank and cover it with a red cloth. Mark a triangle with saffron and write Aim within it. Place Shodsi yantra over it. Make a mound of rice grains at the ends of the triangle and paste brittle nut over it. Worship the yantra with rice grains, vermilion and flour and light a ghee lamp. Now chant very powerful Shodsi Tripur Sundari mantra 65 times in 30 days. Now keep your gaze fixed on the yantra while mantra chanting. On 14th day, tied up all the sadhana articles in a cloth and drop it in a river. And the chantable mantra is Om Hrim Hrim Hasakahala Hrim Sakala Hrim Hrim Fat. Now the second small procedure. Men with time tend to become monotonous and boring in their life. They just invest their entire life for the family. With time, the person doesn't realize with each passing day they are missing the joy of life. A gap starts to build between the married couple, and such a person soon forgets the beautiful life he used to live in with his partner. If your life has become dull, if there is a gap developing in between your partner, if you have started to feel unwanted in your life, then this sadhana is a must for you. Take a wooden plank and cover it with red colored cloth. Take some rice grains dyed with vermilion and make a mound out of it. Now place the yantra over it and worship it with vermilion, rice grains and flowers. Light 5 oil lamps around the yantra and put some mustard seeds in them. Next, chant the very powerful Shodsi Tripur Sundari mantra 75 times for 5 days. At last day, drop the sadhana articles in a river on the 6th day. And the very powerful chantable mantra is Om Hrim Hrim Hasakala Hrim Sakala Hrim Fat. Now, the third small and last procedure. A man's beauty lies in strength, build, sharp mind, and agility. Anyone can attain such mesmerizing personality by the blessing of Goddess Shodsi. What to do? Take a wooden plank and cover it with red colored cloth. Take some rice grains and make a square with it. Put the yantra inside the square and place one rose flower at the sides of the yantra. Chant 11 rounds of very powerful Tripur Sundari mantra with yellow hakik rosary and then drop the sadhana articles in a river the next day. And the very powerful Shodsi Tripur Sundari mantra is Om Hrim Hrim Hasakala Hrim Sakala Hrim Hrim Fat. One who interested to perform this divine sadhana, our email ID is mentioned in the video. You can contact us and we will guide you and deliver you the things to be used in this sadhana at your doorstep. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel as much as possible to join us. That's it for today. Om Krim 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 Hrim 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 Hum 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 Dakshina Kalike क्रीम 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 ह्रीम 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 हुम 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 स्वाहा। माँ दक्षिणा कालिके नमः। प्रसन्न वरदो भव, प्रसन्न वरदो भव, प्रसन्न वरदो भव। जय सिद्ध साधक परिवार।